Hey guys, what is going on? Today is the day the iPhone 15 series just got released today. I know it's late. I had a long freaking day today, but today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the natural colorway. I got this from UPS. I also went to the Apple store, and it was just a long day today. So this year I think it came in a little bit smaller packaging than normal. We have a pull tab right here. Nice. That wasn't that satisfying, but... And then, whoa, we have like a pull system here. There's two arrows there. Whoa, that's new. I kind of like that because there's no plastic. It's all cardboard. And here is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. One. And two. And let's take a look. That is a big phone. That is a very big phone. As you guys know, I came from the regular Pro model. So this year I'm going to try the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Pro Max model. You know what? That's not bad. That's not bad. And it's very comfortable to hold in my hand as well. That is not that heavy at all. Okay, that is good. That is very good. And then, of course, we get the USB-C, the brand new USB-C braided cable, and some paperwork here. There were some rumors going around that the cable is going to color match the iPhone, and it was going to be a lot longer, I think 3 times the length of the normal charger. But of course, well, not of course, that was just not true. And we just get, I mean, it's nice that it's braided, but we get a braided USB-C cable. All of them are white no matter what color you get. If you get iPhone 15 Pro Max natural titanium or a regular iPhone 15 like a pink one, you're always going to get the white braided USB-C cable. So that's fine. I kind of wish they were like color matched and a little bit longer. That would be really, really cool if they did that, but at least we get a braided cable. I really do like that. So and then we also do get some little paperwork right here. You no longer need a physical SIM card to activate your eSIM during setup. So obviously, for a while now, we do not have a physical SIM card. We are going to use eSIM to basically use the phone. And I kind of wish we did have a physical SIM card. I really think that is the best way to go because then you can easily switch between phones, especially people that review tech like phones and stuff like that. They can easily switch and they don't have to go through eSIM to transfer phone data and stuff like that. So I mean, the phone does look a little bit cleaner without, you know, the SIM card tray there, but still, I kind of wish it was there just so it's easy to transfer stuff. Anyways, so we have that. We have a little bit of paperwork here. Let's be real, who reads this stuff? And then we do get one singular Apple sticker. And I'm pretty sure with any iPhone model you get, it's going to be a white sticker. It's just a sticker. It doesn't really matter too much, but let's go ahead and take a look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We're going to take this off right here. Nice. And wow, this is a big phone. We're going to turn it on for the first time. And there we go. It honestly does feel very good in my hand. It's not very light, but it is lighter than the previous iPhone 14 Pro Max, and that is one of the main reasons why I never really went with the Pro Max is because of the weight. Obviously, this is a big phone, but I'm guessing I'm going to get used to it pretty fast. I do like how big that screen is, though. That's going to be nice for viewing YouTube videos, YouTube content, and stuff like that. And I can already tell the bezels are a lot thinner, which that is really neat. That actually looks really good. People were saying it's not that noticeable, but honestly, I noticed it the second that I turned it on, that the bezels are a lot thinner. And there is the action button right there. I don't know. I think I'm going to use that as a flashlight for now. I probably will have a better, use for it later on, but I always need my flashlight and I hate swiping up and stuff like that. And so I think I'll use that as a flashlight for now. Let me know what you guys are going to use your action button for, but I'll probably change it up because I feel like the flashlight is kind of lame for a whole new button. I'll probably change it up at some point. But anyways, I also wanted to talk about a awesome screen protector that is going to be linked down in the description below. It is a matte tempered glass screen protector, and what this does is it adds a really cool texture to your phone. So basically, as you guys know, the titanium and the matte glass on the back is like a matte texture, and when you put the screen protector on your device, it makes the whole device a like matte feeling. Even when you swipe around and stuff like that, it's super satisfying to navigate through the phone with this matte tempered glass screen protector. What's really cool with this screen protector is it comes with the installation frame. So basically you get a perfect installation every single time. And then obviously you get some nice microfiber cleaning cloths to clean the screen before you install the screen protector. The next thing is that this screen protector pack has 2 screen protectors in it. So basically if anything happens to the first one, you always have a backup, which is always a good thing. So if you guys are interested in this screen protector, I'll leave it down in the description below. Also, there are some super thin cases. I'll also leave them down in the description below if you guys want to check those out. If you're into some thin cases, I will have a dedicated review with those thin cases. But for now, the matte tempered glass screen protector, I just wanted to show you guys really quick. So if you guys are interested in the screen protector right now, link down in the description below. But yeah, guys, this is a pretty big upgrade for me because I have been using an iPhone XR for a while because I sold my iPhone 14 Pro because I wanted to get the max amount of money for it. And so this is going to be a huge upgrade coming from a cracked iPhone XR to a non-cracked brand new iPhone 15 Pro. Let me know down in the comments below what phone you guys got. And I'm guessing most of you guys got the iPhone 15 Pro Max because that was like the most hyped phone this year. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Especially thank you guys for watching because I know there's so many iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro, so many unboxings. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video and supporting the channel. So yeah, guys, a lot more iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro and just iPhone content coming very, very soon. So if you guys are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.